This video is sponsored by TreatLife. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing and setting up a smart light switch from TreatLife. Home automation is getting more and more popular these days, and TreatLife is a company that provides many devices to automate your home, from smart plugs all the way to smart light switch, which work with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa and Siri. Timestamps and links to everything that I talk about in this video will be in the description. So if you see something that sparks your interest, then feel free to check it out. The package for this switch is very well put together. On the front of the box, it shows you how the switch looks and tells you that it can be controlled by voice, remote or by light schedules. On the left side of the box, it goes into more details about the control options. For the voice control, you can turn on the light on and off with your voice only commands using the Google Assistant or the Amazon Alexa. For the remote access, you can control the lights from anywhere, whether you're in your cozy bed or on vacation. For light schedule, you can automate your lights to turn on when you're home from work or turn on your lights at a specific time. You can also control this light switch by group control, which allows you to easily combine lights into group. You can control all the lights on when you get home at night or off when you're going to bed. On the right side, I believe it's just showing you that this application is available for Android and iOS. On the back, it gives you the product specifications. So the brand is TreatLife and the name is Smart Light Switch. The model is SSO2S. The rated input voltage is 100 to 240 VAC at 50 or 60 Hz. The rated output current is 10 amps and the maximum power is 1250 watts. The wireless frequency is 2.4 GHz, which is typical for smart home devices. Then you have the FCC ID and the IC. This device is compatible with Android 4.1 and above or iOS 8.0 or above, so pretty much all iPhones and Androids. Below you have the contact information if you want help, and that's pretty much it for the packaging. Now let's open this box real quick. Let's turn the box on the side and slide it out to see what's inside. Once you take out what's inside, you'll see the user manual, which will guide you detail by detail for the setup and how to use the smart light switch. After that, we have some wire label stickers which will be helpful so that you can know which wire is which in the future. Here we have the light switch. Let's take our time and lift it out of the box. On the back of the switch, you have 4 wires which are neatly color coded. The black one is the line and the red one is the load. The white one is neutral and finally the green one is for ground. Inside the box right here we get some wire nuts which will be used to connect the wires. You also get 2 screws which will be used to screw the switch in place. By the way guys, before I set up this, just listen to this satisfying click. Tell me if that's not satisfying, guys. The user guide you step by step to set up this switch, but if you're not comfortable installing it yourself, don't be afraid to hire an electrician to do the installation. Here's how to set up this smart light switch. First thing first, turn off your breaker. Take the covering off the current switch. Then just go ahead and remove the wires right there from that switch. I would advise you to use these labels that you get in the box to mark which wire is which from early, that way you don't get it confused. This right here is what your neutral wire normally look like. Now, not every house have it or not every switch have it, so if you don't see it at a specific switch on your house, just try to move to a next room and see if it's on that switch. It normally looks like this right here, and generally we don't really use it, but in this case we have to use it. Now to install this switch, just take it off the cover like this. It might take some time, but just take it off. After you do that, all you need to do is connect the wires and then screw the switch into the wall like this, then put on the faceplate. And that's it, you're done. Now you can go ahead and turn on back your breaker. To set up the StreatLife app, all you need to do is search StreatLife on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, or scan this QR code that is on the user manual. Once you download the app, just create an account. Now to link the app to the switch, all you need to do is just simply make sure that your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Then tap on the plus icon in the top right and tap all and choose the switch that says Switch Wi-Fi. Once you choose that, then press and hold on the physical on and off button for 5 seconds until the red indicator lights blink rapidly. Tap confirm, then enter your password for your Wi-Fi and wait for the switch to be done. To add this to your Amazon Alexa, just simply go to your Amazon Alexa app on your phone and tap on Skills and Games in the Alexa menu. Search for SmartLife and then tap Enable the skill. Then enter your StreatLife account and password and tap on the link now to enable the skill. Once you do that, you should be all set. Now you don't have to get up to turn off the lights. You can simply just use your phone to turn off the lights, or just say Alexa, turn off the lights. You can also do light schedule. For example, you know you'll be home by 8 p.m. You could just schedule the light to be on at 8 p.m. every day. Here's my final thought on this smart light switch from StreatLife. I think that getting a smart light switch in your home can be the easiest way to automate your home to make your life much easier. I personally hate to get up to turn off the lights, especially when I'm in a comfortable position. Thanks to companies like StreatLife, you can now get these smart switches in your home even if you're on a low budget. And this design for this switch looks way better than the everyday switch that we see in your homes for decades. It gives your home a modern feel to it. If you're interested in this smart light switch from StreatLife, a link will be provided in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching. Peace.